Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel Bit of Beauty. Hope everyone's doing well. The other week Priceline was having a sale on skincare, sun care and tanning, so I decided to pick up a few things. I picked up the Bondi Sands Glow Matte One Day Tan, so you can apply it with a mat or a brush on your face or your body, and then it's meant to wash off just with soap later that day, so I wanted to give that a go. And it was half price, so best opportunity to do that. The main reason I did a Priceline haul was to purchase some eye creams. I haven't had an eye cream for a long time, so I decided to pick up the Indeed Laboratories Isolix 2 Total Eye Rescuer. And this is the packaging, and it's just a little tube. So we'll see how that goes. It's meant I wanted something mainly for wrinkles. I picked out about 8, checked out some reviews online and narrowed it down to 2. So I also picked up the Dr. Luhans Line Smoothing Complex S8 Reduce Lines and Wrinkles Day and Night Eye Recovery Complex. So looking forward to giving these a go. I then picked up the Latan Uber Glow for all skin tones Face Tanning Serum. I haven't actually tried anything like this before, not the tanning drops. I have tried a face tanning lotion many years ago, it didn't have success. See how we go with this. I'm just unsure how a makeup remover will go keeping this on. This was also curious, and Egyptian Magic. I've heard lots of good things about this. I wanted to pick it up. It is a lot smaller than I imagined because I did my order online, so I wasn't actually there to pick out my items, but yes, it was very small. They also sent an antioxidant night restoring cream by Blessed by Nature. So it's meant to be for all skin types, vitamins A, C, E, rose and jojoba oils. So I'll give that a go. And if you also spent over $39 on certain brands, you were able to pick out a box. They had a signature box, and I think the other one was an essentials box. So I selected the signature box. There we go here. That's got the Batiste dry shampoo, just a mini travel size. Then we have a new item here. It's a Pantene foam conditioner, repair and protect. So it's meant to be 100% conditioning, 0% weight. So we'll see how we go with that, because I do have fine hair. Then we have the Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky shampoo and conditioner twin pack. We have some Femme Fresh Intimate Care wipes. And we have the Daily Naturals All Australian treatment. We've got an end sealer and another treatment with a leave-in mask. Just some little sample sachets. Then we have the Frank Provost Paris. So it's a shampoo and conditioner sachets, deep clean and vitality. Give that a go. And we have some White Glow charcoal toothpaste, deep stain remover, so that'd be interesting to try out as well. Then we have the Models Prefer Smooth and Shine Groom and Style hairbrush. I might give this away, donate it to a charity or someone. We've got plenty of hairbrushes here. Then we have the OGX Coconut Water Shampoo in a travel size, so that'll come in handy for travelling. Then we also have the John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Finishing Cream, so that'll be nice to use. Try out. Then I also have the Biotine Dry Mouth Relief Mouthwash. And then last we have the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Clay Mask. So it's pre-shampoo treatment. Okay, so this is for your hair, a hair mask. So to receive that box, like I said, I did have to spend over $39 on certain brands. The items I picked out were just the Pantene conditioner. I just got 5 bottles of those, and that was enough to get my $39 worth of products to be able to receive the free box as well. So very happy with my purchase, and I hope you stay tuned to my next video. Thank you. Bye.